Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Where did I get this super cute bag? Well, I am so glad you asked because I can't wait to tell you. This incredibly realistic looking faux leather bag is from Fancy Forest. I am so impressed by the way that they nailed the texture on this and the feel of it. It feels just like real leather, but it's not. It's PU leather. Not only do I love that, but these colors are just perfect. You cannot go wrong with a classic black and white look. It instantly makes any outfit that I use it with look even more sophisticated, which I just love. My tablet in its cover is 11 by 9 inches, and this fits absolutely perfectly inside the bag. And I still have room for everything else, like my tea mug. And of course, I have to have my sunscreen and my lotion and lots of different colors of lip gloss and lipstick, along with breath mints, etc. It has a nice sized inside pocket with a zipper, and I love the zipper on top because this is a large bag. It's so nice to be able to zip it up because when I bend over with the bag, I don't want my things falling out, and this keeps it nice and secure. My favorite way to use the bag is just to wear it across my arm. I think it looks really cute there and it's very comfortable. But I love that it comes with the option of having a crossbody strap as well if you like to wear your bag that way, or even over the shoulders. So I love that there's some versatility with it. So if I get tired of carrying it by the handles or across my arm, I can just easily switch to that strap. I think Fancy Forest really nailed it with this bag. It gives me those old Hollywood vibes that I just love, and that's my point of view.